Hello, my name is Nico. Thank you for joining me today in this quick look at the Tutima Grand Flieger Classic Automatic, reference 6102-03. Starting with the case is stainless steel with a diameter of 43 millimeters and a case height of 13 millimeters. This watch is on a brown leather strap with stainless steel folding clasp. Going back to the front of the watch, you have your bidirectionally rotating fluted bezel with red reference marker. The dial is brown with a sunburst effect and features cathedral hour and minute hand, sweeping second hand, day and date function at the 3 o'clock position. The day can be set in either English or German. The front, you also have a domed anti-reflective sapphire crystal and another sapphire crystal in the back, giving you a view of the caliber Tutima 330 automatic movement. The movement features 25 joules, polished screws, and a power reserve of 38 hours when fully wound. Thank you for joining me in this quick look. If you'd like to see this watch in person, please feel free to visit your local authorized Tutima dealer and try it on.